to Slade on Slade. My name is Leslie, and today I am going to go ahead and review the Savage Crucibles Elric of Melbourne. So let's go ahead and get a look at the pack.
Brought evil to many places. But usually there has already been evil to match mine. I seek no excuses, for I know what I am, and I know what I have done. I have slain malignant sorcerers and destroyed oppressors, but I have also been responsible for slaying fine men. And a woman, my cousin, whom I loved, I killed, or my sword did.
So here is the front of the box, and the side, and the back, and the other side, and we're going to go ahead and do the inside the box. So you have this, let me see that, then you can go ahead and read it, and then here is what he looks like inside of the package right there. All right, so I will be right back with it out of the package. All right, so here is our figure. He does come with a sword that is sheathed in the back. So let's go ahead and bring that out here. I'm going to lay him down. Here is, I believe this is the Shadowbringer. There we go. All those runes on there. This is his infamous Shadowbringer sword. It is one of the most famous Here is the Shadowbringer sword. It is the most infamous sword and one of fantasy's most ironic weapons, the Black Rune sword. It is full settlement of and has an agenda of its own. It feeds from the souls of living beings. It transfers stolen life energy to Elric, giving him the strength, health, and endurance, and can slice through most armor and magical defenses. It often acts independently, sometimes killing people Elric loves. So the relationship between Elric and the Shadowbringer is tragic because the sword brings both sustains and destroys him, while it frees him from the dependencies on medicines and herbs and keeps him alive. It also manipulates events and repeatedly brings ruin to his friends, lovers, and the kingdom. So there is Elric of Melbourne. He also comes with a cape, another sword. Then you have his helmet head. And then you have another helmet head with his hair sticking out the back. You also have his shield. And then you have a horn. And then he has 4 other hands with different gestures on them. And then you also have the 2 blind packs. But before I get to those, let me tell you a little bit more about Elric of Melbourne is one of the most influential anti-heroes in fantasy literature. He was created by Michael Moorcock in 1961. Elric is an albino sorcerer emperor of the island empire of Melbourne. Unlike traditional fantasy heroes, Elric is physically weak, introverted, and is often relies on magic and intelligence rather than brute strength. So I know there are a bunch of books on him. He did show up, his first showing was in a novella. I don't remember the novella at the top of my head. I do want to say it starts with The Brightest something. So we're going to go ahead. I will start reading those because I am a big book lover. So if you can ask my husband. I love reading his books. I do edit his books also. So I think that's the next book series that I am going to start on. So Let me go ahead and get the rest of these opened up. Let me get the blind packs open up. I have them right here. So the first one is a sword, another sword. I do believe this is the one that my husband wanted. I'm not 100% sure, so I might be a little jealous on the one that he gave me is the one that he actually wanted. So that's just funny. Let me go ahead and get this other one open here. Hold on a second. Sorry about that. All right, you ready? Oh, it is a golden chain. Oh, it's a chain with the eye on it. I can get it so you guys can see it. There you go. Stand. There we go. There's a chain with an eye on it. So go ahead and put that on him. With that, I'm going to go ahead and let you know. Look at the figure. He has a great amount of detail. He is a great size. He is a little tight, so I will not be moving him. I will be heating him up before I move him around. But look at the detail there is on this guy. It is a great figure. If you hadn't seen Articulated Ninja's video on it, go ahead. He does a great review on it. But I did want to just show you the figure itself. The only thing I don't like about it is most of my figures do not stand, and I would prefer to have my figure on a figure stand. That way it does not fall over. So with that being said, that is all I have for you tonight. So I hope you have a great day or evening wherever you are in the world. Thank you. Bye.
The sad machine, to the TV screen.